everyone. So today our topic is science and technology. Before moving on, for those who are watching our channel for the first time, this channel is created with an intent to make kids learning easy. It has simple knowledge based questions with answers for kids. To join our channel, subscribe and press the bell button to watch more videos. So today we are going to discuss on few topics which are part of science and technology. And we'll know more about science and technology, and then we'll solve few questions. So what is science and technology? Do you know, kids, that both science and technology are highly interdependent, but they are distinct? Have you ever thought how we transform milk into high quality products like butter, cheese, ice cream and sweets? It is possible by science and technology. Science contributes to technology in enabling research, development, refinement of new technology. Similarly, the impact of technology on science is of equal importance. It helps in utilizing resources like tools, engineering, etc. in an efficient and timely manner. Now, we will solve few questions on this topic. Let's First question, the Earth is a comet, planet, star, satellite. And the right option is planet. Question, what is that energy captured from sun's rays called as? Solar power, wind power, hydroelectric power, nuclear power. The right option is solar power. Question, the cabin in which pilots of a plane sit is called as? Options, cockpit, business class, fuselage, engine. The right option is cockpit. This is how it looks. Next question. Which of the following material conducts electricity? Options, plastic, wood, silver, rubber. So hope you already know the answer. It is silver. Next question. Which of the following can be used to make handles for pressure cooker? Options, plastic, wood, copper, both plastic and wood. Right option, both plastic and wood. Which device is used to measure depth of sea? Millimeter, fathometer, flowmeter, oscillometer. So the device which is used to measure depth of sea is fathometer. This is how it looks. The gas which is more responsible for global warming is oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, helium. So the gas which is used for global warming is carbon dioxide. Next question. The first Indian satellite launched in 1975 is called as? Aryabhatta, Hitomi, GSLV, none. So everybody will be familiar with this answer. It is Aryabhatta. Next question. When you push something, you apply dash. Force, mass, acceleration, none. So how do you push the things? You need to apply force. Which material from the following has highest transparency? Paper, glass, wood, metal. So the material which is transparent is glass. Here is an example. On to the next question. A lion is most closely related to which of the following animals? So, a lion resembles like one of the animal. So, let us see what are the options. Dog, leopard, wolf, deer. So, the right option is leopard. We'll see how they look. Clear? Next question. The data is stored in a thin disk used called options, DVD, CPU, printer, program. So the right option is DVD. It is also called as digital versatile disk, and this is how it looks. Question. The late former President of India, APJ Abdul Kalam, was a well-known chemist, biologist, doctor, space scientist. The right option is space scientist. What does water turn into when heated? Snow, ice, steam, salt. Right option, steam. Next, the time taken by the Earth to complete one revolution around the Sun is options, year, minute, day, month. Right option is year. So it takes 365 days. Next question. What is the full form of GPS? Options, Global Position System, Global Positioning System, Geo Packet Security, General Packet Service. The right option is Global Positioning System. It is a navigating satellite system that provides velocity, location, and time synchronization. Moving to next question. Which planet in our solar system is known as the evening star? Mercury, Mars, Venus, Jupiter. So we have evening star as well as morning star. So let's see which is called as evening star. It's Venus. It is also called as Earth's sister's planet. Next question. Dash and dash are the nearest Earth's neighbors. Options, Venus, Mars, Venus, Jupiter, Mars, Mercury, Uranus, Jupiter. So which are the planets which are closer to Earth? They are Venus and Mars. Let's see how it is. This substance is used to cut glass. It is also used of the hardest naturally occurring substances. Which is it? Options, talc, wood, marble, diamond. So which is the hardest substance in this, which is used to cut the glass? It is diamond. This is how they cut. You can see a small diamond at the tip. It is a web mapping service developed by Google. It offers route planning for traveling by car, bicycle, foot, and air. Identify from the following. So the options are given. So the right option is B. So this is used for route planning. Okay kids, hope you felt interesting and enjoy learning. Thank you. Please like and subscribe if you would like to see more. Also share with your friends. Bye. Have a nice day.